Hello guys, welcome to another video. Tonight we are in Shibuya. I'm going to take you to a cool place, but first let's cross the Shibuya crossing, the biggest and the busiest crossing in the world. After that, we will head to a really nice bar. Guys, it's here. Let's go in. It seems very fun. Oh yes. Oh awesome. Wow. Very nice bar. Alright, that's cheers. Amazing dance. Very beautiful. Wow. How long actually have you been dancing? Very cool. Awesome.
Thank you.
ダンスはもうどのぐらいですか？
10年。
10年ぐらい。Wow. Very professional dancer. 10年。Very new style. You can dance on the counter. 面白いですね。師匠はどうですか？これは。師匠楽しいですか？ Is it fun?
いい香りがします。
いい香り、yeah, it smells really good at Shisha. So you can actually smoke Shisha at this bar and watch her performance like this. Very beautiful dance. Awesome. Very beautiful. Wow. So you work on Wednesday only here? So she works actually on Wednesday at this bar. So you can come here and enjoy her performance on Wednesdays, every Wednesdays. 何時から何時までですか? From what time to what time?
ここのバーはオープンは18時、6時。
From 6 p.m. until what time?
私がいるのが8時半ぐらいから。
So she actually works here from 8:30 p.m. until いつまで？何時まで？
Close は4時まで。
4時まで until 4 a.m. Okay, in the morning. Wow. Very beautiful dance. Very professional. Amazing. Alright, 乾杯。ありがとうございます、本当に。OK です。乾杯。バープラム渋谷。Anna-chan. So Anna-chan is working here on Wednesday nights only. 飲み物は何がありますか？いろいろこれは。
飲み物は、こういろんなお酒があって、ここはメスカルが 有名メスカルが
あ、
みんな飲みます。
メスカロ。The name of the drink is mescalo. Mescalo. No.
メキシコの
Mexican tequila. Tequila. So it's a type of tequila. They have a lot of type of tequila. It's like Mexico is from Mexico. I think that one is very popular here. いろいろ。で食べ物はありますか？食べ物も。
あります。
Oh, they have actually food menu as well. So you can actually enjoy. Yeah, that is. It's English, yeah. Okay. With the lighting, okay. Let me show you the menu. Oh, okay. They have food as well, so you can order food, drink, and shisha over there. Okay. ありがとうございます。Alright, Anna-chan. So, 出身はどこですか、Anna-chan?
出身は静岡。
She's from Shizuoka Prefecture. So, what is popular in Shizuoka? 静岡の有名なものとか、食べ物とか、場所とか。富士山。富士山。Yeah, 富士山 is in Shizuoka, right? Yeah.
富士山とあとお茶。
お茶。Japanese tea also is popular there. あとは食べ物はうなぎalso. Oh, うなぎ is also popular in. うなぎ。あとはうなぎ。あとはなんだろう。これは一回書く。So, what's your actually hobby? 趣味は何ですか？
趣味はファッション。
ファッション。はい。
衣装も大好き。
She likes arranging the all type of dress and stuff. Yeah. あとは？
散歩歩くのが好き。
She likes walking as well. Okay. じゃあ仕事は全体的にダンス。
そう、ダンスの仕事が。
はい。So aside from here, she actually works as a fitness coach, instructor, yeah? ダンスの先生。Okay. So she does professional because she has been doing the dance for 10 years. You can follow her. この味噌はもうどのぐらいですか？味噌は？
ここは去年の9月にオープンして。
9月。So this bar actually is was open since September last year, so it's like a half year. Hi. So yeah, you can enjoy this bar. なんだろう。今は例えば、アナちゃんは水曜日だけよ。
はい。
他の日はイベントは何がありますか？
毎日 DJ さんがいます。
はい。 はいはいはい。So she's working here only on Wednesdays, but the other day they have like a DJ and some other events. Ah, okay, okay. ありがとうございます。乾杯。Cheers. Cheers. ありがとうございます。This is a tequila.
テキーラの
はいはい。テキーラのもっと
いやアガベ
ある
でもスモークし
スモーキー
だから甘いし
甘いlet me try it. Oh, 美味しいです。美味しい。スモーキー、yeah, it's very good. It's smoke like yeah, unique taste, very unique. 好きな飲み物は何ですか？いつもwine. She likes wine. Yeah. So when you actually come here, you can buy her drink, and you can after the dance, she's gonna perform there, and then do the Shisha performance. Also, you can actually sit with her, and if you buy her a drink, then you can
喋ったりとか飲んだりできます。
So you can enjoy talking with her while just while drinking, but you have to buy a drink for her. Okay.
来た時に YouTube 見てきましたって声かけてほしい。
So if you watch this video, you can actually message her Instagram DM.
でもいいし、来て声かけてほしい。
So you can actually come here and then talk to her directly here. Yeah. So also you can DM her in Instagram, and you can meet her in here. Okay. Thank you very much. It was really fun. ありがとうございました。本当に。
Thank you.
ありがとうございます。お疲れ様です。
カメラのキャップを忘れて
ありがとうございます。またよろしくお願いします。
ありがとうございます。
OK。これからも頑張ってください。バイバイ。バイ。ありがとうございます。OK。